Story 14. A dervish who had fallen into want stole a blanket from the house of a friend. The judge ordered his hand to be amputated, but the owner of the blanket interceded, saying that he had condoned the fault. The judge rejoined, "Thy intercession cannot persuade me to neglect the provision of the law." The man continued, "Thou hast spoken the truth, but amputation is not applicable to a person who steals some property dedicated to pious uses. Moreover, a beggar possesses nothing, and whatever belongs to a dervish is dedicated to the use of the needy." Thereon the judge released the culprit, saying, "The world must indeed have become too narrow for thee. Thou hast committed no theft except from the house of such a friend." He replied, "Hast thou not heard the saying, sweep out the house of friends, and do not knock at the door of foes? If thou sinkest in a calamity, be not helpless. Strip thy foes of their skins, and thy friends of their fur coats." And yeah, there's a difference. You know, if you're stealing a necessity, the stricter punishments are not there. You know, and by necessity, out of need, not, steal from the poor to make myself rich, that sort of thing. That's different. But, and also certain forbidden things, and certain things that are not quite forbidden, but not quite, like musical instruments, for example. If you steal musical instruments, it's not as severe as a penalty, regardless of what you steal, because it's a severe penalty, but you know what I mean. And there's argument between Surah 5 and Surah 12 about the cutting rather than cutting off. Because certainly, in Surah 8, 12, and 47:4, how you react on the battlefield is not how you react off the battlefield.